Ano? May walking tayo ako na. Walk like dali.
Ako na lang videographer. Tapos videohan mo kayo.
Lagyan mo dito. Ilagay sa baba. Ito, lagyan mo. Ano na yun? Lakad lang. Sige na, lakad na. Oo, dami o. Isa.
Ang daming kwarto dito, no?
Oo, dito lang dapat mag-one.
Angeli, there is fish.
Angela, be careful. Angela. There is what?
Fish. A frog. There is frog.
I found the one.
You see? You see? Green frog. Look.
I found frog.
Come. Look.
I want to catch one.
No, it's dirty. Look, Angelo.
This yellow one.
It's yellow frog.
Haram.
Look. It's the first time I saw like this.
I never see in my life.
Frog?
That's frog.
Yellow and green frog.
Saan?
You know?
Malaki?
Ito.
Malaki? Ay, maliit. Ayun, tumatalon.
There's frogs here. This is my whole life. Ate Pamela! There's frog.
Green frog. Take this frog. You're scared?
Give me something.
No, don't. Just touch in your hands. You're scared. No, don't.
No, just take
Mama, did you see frog?
Yes, here.
No, don't catch it. Don't catch.
Yellow and green.
Huwag yung hawakan baka maybe it's poisonous.
First time kong nakakita ng frog na green.
Pero yung...
Ayun o, green frog.
Saan siya, be?
Ayun o.
Ay, oo nga. Maliit man.
Ayun o, yellow.
Ate, there's
Ayun o.
Ay, putik. Pumasok. Mama, don't touch it.
Ayun o.
Haram. You know yellow frog, oh?
Yes, we know. And this is the first time
Let's go.
No.
Na, patay ka. Ayun o, patay.
Ayun pa, oh.
Watch. There's yellow presses.
First time kong nakakita ng ganitong palaka.
Ay.
Yeah, let's go.
No.
Let's go.
I want to get one frog.
Patay ka. There is poison of that.
Yala, mama. Yala, I will buy for you in the supermarket. Frozen frog.
Frozen. Come here, Angelo.
Walang pag...
Nakainin ako.
I will buy for you there in supermarket. Ang supermarket, 12 palaka. Oh.
Don't shout please. Yes, because yes, please. No, okay, yes, mama, okay.
Big palaka.
Dami over ang talay.
Oh, ayun nga pala, yun nga. Nag-ano ka?
Anong simbahan ito? Ayan o.
St. Nor Church. Misa din? Oo. Sa taas, nandun yung misa. Tapos ako sindi. Doon na, last.
Meron pa yata ako dito, isa ko puso.
Doon sa maganda doon. Meron din doon. Anong iniisip mo, Day? Kahit ka natulala,
Ka nag-wish.
may wini-wish ka?
Shock lang ko kasi meron
Salamin.
sa taas yung ano.
Doon sa ano.
Ano, hindi tayo pupunta sa misa?